Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable Superhuman Hearing of your Turtle 700 headphones. So to do this we got two methods. The first one, we can do this in this application. So on the first page you can just click on the switcher to turn it on or off, and you can also adjust the strength of this Superhuman Hearing by moving the slider to the left or to the right. And the second method, it's also very simple. On your left headphone you have to click on the mode button and take a look. We can also turn it on or turn it off. If you want to remove this function from the mode button, you have to swipe to the second screen and then go for the customize buttons, and the main mode button you can, for example, turn to the game preset or make noise gate. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.